Yoo-hoo! Day 6 of building a web app on Lovable without any coding skills until the end of January. So, today, a small win in the whole project, but it felt like a great win. So, I was able to get the first API working, used Claude and Postman to do some debugging, and then helped Lovable actually solving the issue. So yeah, when I say no coding skills, it's very difficult to do a project like this and get away without gaining some insights and some small coding, well, I wouldn't say it's skills, but knowledge. So yeah, let's look at it. This is the dashboard where you land after inserting your login details. And I go to the first area, create new tribute. We fill in some basic information like, yeah, happy anniversary. Then some key phrases. We'll do these ones that I have prepared. I will still go for the favorite music style Prince. Upload some pictures. That's all fairly easy. And now let's see and cross our fingers what happens when I click the create tribute video. No error message yet. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh, video not generated yet? Well, presumably it's generating the video as we speak. So it might take a little bit of time. I gotta like put something there to show that it's working. I can show though what we've already done before. This one is one I created just before. Generated video. Yeah, looking beautiful. Wow. Yeah, I'm impressed, guys. Up to the next step. Hopefully tomorrow will be another successful day, and please follow, like, comment to see what happens in the coming days.